How to stream on Kick with mobile. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can stream on Kick from your mobile, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, in your mobile you're gonna need to download two different apps, Kick and Streamlabs, and I would dare to say you that just if you want to download Streamlabs, it's gonna be enough. Okay, so you just have to go into your Google Play Store, write Streamlabs, and that's the app you're gonna download. Once you have your app, you're going in. Let me go back to show you all the steps. And in the top left corner, you have three horizontal lines. You're gonna click on it. And there you have the option to account settings. I'm going to click on it again. And at the bottom, you have a custom RTMP. So you must tap on setup and you must give three different data. So first of all, the name, that's one that you will need to create, and the URL and stream key. To obtain the URL and the stream key, you must go into your web browser and log in into your Kick account. So let me show you this entire process. Kick.com. Log in. I have logged in with my Google account. Okay, I'm not gonna download the app because I already have it. And you must go in the right bottom corner into your profile and now into settings, and there you have the stream URL and key. You just have to copy both of these data and paste it here in Streamlabs in order to continue and being able to stream from your mobile phone on Kick. Just in case, I did this from my web browser because if I go into my app and go into my profile, there are no settings. As you can see, I have some other options. So here from the app, you're not going to be able to find the URL and the stream key. But that's how you can do it. Once you have completed your data here in Streamlabs, you're going to be able to stream on Kick from your mobile. Thanks for watching.